Hello you lovely people, hope you're all good. Yeah, doing a bit of a miscellaneous one today, doing a bit of work on the Audi. It needs a few bits doing. When we took the subframe off of the DPF, obviously did it all back up. We were rushing massively that day, we were so tired and rushing. Robbie, me, Steve and all that, so the subframe's creaking a little bit, so I'm going to try and nip the bolts up on the subframe. And yeah, a few other little bits, nothing crazy, bit of maintenance. I'm loving this car. Put these on it the other day, so probably around 10 seconds YouTube channel. Just going to hoover the boot out and do a few little bits in there, just give it a little clean. It's nice seeing it all stripped out like this, makes me want to take the back seats out, but it's a daily, not a race car, so yeah. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, she's doing me well to be fair. It's 3,500 miles I've done in it now. I've had it 2 months, just over 2 months, so yeah, I'm enjoying it. Good little car to be fair. It's yeah, a few little bits I want to do to it and that to make it. I still haven't picked my S3 wheels up from Steve, the wheelman, so I need to really go and get them. I'm just going to put the under tray back on, tighten the subframe bolts are loose, give the boot a little whip out. I've put the windscreen in to get a new windscreen because that crack is awful. Then just need to get the bonnet kind of blown over and then it'll be alright to be fair. It's not a bad little car for the money we paid and that for it. It's not, I paid for it, it's not bad at all. It's yeah, the bodywork's quite clean, especially for the age and that, so interior is nice, S-line black leathers, so it's not too bad. Driver's side doors burst a little bit, the armrest, so need to get that maybe replaced or fixed. Apart from that, it's all good. I don't know if I told you guys before, but I've started tuning. So I've started my own tuning company. I'll link it down in the description below, HB Tuning. Doing all vehicles up to 2010 at the minute. Just waiting to buy the tuner tool. And then we'll be doing tuning all vehicles up to modern day basically. Custom tuning, data logging, big turbo setups and a few other little bits. So if any of you are interested in tuning or whatever, just message me in the on the HB Tuning page or get in contact. But yeah, I'll put you on the tripod and get her jacked up and crack on. Cool. Right, boom. Right, that's the under tray back on. Subframe bolts are tight, so a bit loose. Both look clean. Right, it seems tightening the subframe bolts, fix that, so on to sorting the boot out. Lovely. That is so much better. Look at that. So much better. I don't want to keep junking out, to be fair. A boat should be empty, but no, it is nice having my Halfords advanced setting out with me and that in the car. But obviously it adds weight and uses fuel, so I don't know, maybe I should stop carrying it around with me. But you always think you need it, but I don't really. All you need really is a bar, just take the wheel off if you have a blowout or something. So I might stop taking it, but yeah. There she is, under tray back on. Subframe bolts tightened, so Crete's gone, getting the windscreen done soon. Let me know what else you want to see on this car. Obviously need to do rear disc and pads. Just been putting it off, they're getting really low, need to do them. It needs to clean obviously. And a few other little bits. I'm not sure on wheels. Do I put my gold S3 wheels on it? Do I get them back from Steve, the wheel man? Not sure, obviously my plate's on. Bonnet will be done in the future. It's not on a priority list at the minute. I've ordered a cam belt for it. Cam belt water pump, so that can be done. Obviously it needs tyres, and a few other little bits. But apart from that, it is a good little car to be fair, I do enjoy it. When I get the time, I get dent man out and just sort the little dents out on it. But Nothing crazy. This, and there's one this side, I believe. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, thank you all for watching. That is Project A3. And that's been all from me today. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for all the content yet to come. Stay tuned. If you want me on Instagram, HarleyBrown10. The new tuning page will be linked in the description, HB Tuning, Instagram and on Facebook. So if you want to give that a follow, thank you very much. If you want to book in, obviously get in touch with me. We'll see if we can go from there. Yeah, thank you very much. See you all in a bit. Bye bye.